Welcome back, Fazbear employees. Withered Bonnie tried killing Toy Bonnie, so we gotta fix him up. We got his body parts. So first, the foot we're gonna put on there. Let's put this right here for now. Take off the face. Now put his regular face. His arm. There. Fazbear employees. Next, we're gonna go back to Toy Bonnie and we're gonna ask if he's okay, because that was painful. Flip you, Bonnie. Now let's freeze these parts. Except Toy Bonnie parts, we're gonna need those for next time. Well, we fixed up his behavior too. Now, don't ever try killing an animal. Stop beating it off! Okay, well, bye, Fazbear employees.